welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. I have got another wedding video for you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created my wedding makeup. So obviously you can tell I went for a blue lip, and yeah, that's because it's just my signature look. It's my favourite lip colour. I wanted to match my hair. You guys know I love to match my lips to my hair, and yeah, I just wanted to kind of bring a bit of an alternative look and a bit of an edge to my overall outfit and my dress. It was very glamorous and princessy, which wasn't me. Even though I loved the dress, I just felt like I just needed to kind of put my Sophie stamp on it and kind of just give it a bit of an edge. So that's why I kind of went a bit sparkly and yeah, a bit blue with my makeup. My sister Katie helped me with my makeup. I'll pop a link below to her Instagram because she is a makeup artist and she works for Urban Decay. So we kind of just worked together on the look, and she did my foundation, then I did my concealer, because obviously you guys know I'm a bit funny about the underneath of my eyes. And then we kind of just shared different parts of my eye makeup. She mainly did my eyes and then kind of my contour and stuff, then I did my lip. And yeah, it was nice just working together to create the look. Because obviously I do my makeup every day as well, but she is way better than I am, so that's why I kind of wanted her help. But yes, I'm just going to show you the tutorial, and I will also pop in some little pictures of my wedding look and the makeup and the whole shebang and how it all came together at the end of the video. I'll also pop links to all the products below that I will be using, so you can recreate this look if you want. Yeah, I just think when it comes to weddings, I just think you just need to do you, and if you want to do a bit of an alternative look, then do it. I feel like I kind of got away with it, and I did it in a very bridal way instead of it being too alternative. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial.
I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Oh, oh. Yes, one more time. Oh, oh, oh. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Yeah, there's one more time. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us. You're talking bands, girl, I got it. Benjamin's all in my pocket. Traded in my drawers for some Robins. Like it bad, bad, I got a clock in my Ferrari. 17 shots, no 38. I got a clock in my Ferrari. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she fine. Oh, oh. Wonder when she'll be mine. Oh, oh, oh. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Yeah, there's one more time. yeah, she fine. Oh, yeah, it's one more time. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that it's one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Yeah, it's one more time. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that it's one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us. You're talking pants, girl, I got it. Benjamin's all in my pocket. Traded in my drawers for some robins. Like it bad, bad, I got a clock in my Ferrari. 17 shots, no 38. I got a clock in my Ferrari. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she fine. Oh, wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that it's one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Yeah, it's one more time. Yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Oh, yeah, it's one more time. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that it's one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Yeah, it's one more time. I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. You walk past, I press rewind just to see that it's one more time. And I got this soda. Sorry boys, they know us. No one can control us. Yeah, they know us.
So that's it. What did you guys think of the makeup? I would love to know your thoughts, so please leave your comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Again, I pop links below to all the products that I used and my sister's Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I've got lots of more wedding content coming soon. Peace out.